cars. Oh yeah, today we are going to make Fortnite juice, and we need to find the purest water. So we will find the purest water now to make the Fortnite juice. Oh, that took a lot of effort to get that work out. Look at this big pile of snow. Got kicked. Now it's gone forever. We're on a mission though, so we can't be wasting time. We need to get this Fortnite juice now. There's obviously some water there, but that water isn't clean and pure enough to be able to withstand the power that Fortnite juice has. So we must continue to look. Now there's a secret spot over here that you have to get to by going down this snow. So I might get oofed. No, I have to do this just about every week. I just decided to share the process of making Fortnite juice with you guys because it really is spectacular, you know? Oof. Alright, so now that there is snow in my shoes, just stomp it off. Alright, there we go. Now, all we need to do is we need to find pure water to make Fortnite juice, because Fortnite juice is pure. This is our Fortnite juice creating kit. And yeah. Yo guys, this might go wrong. I might die. It would go wrong. It's gonna go wrong. Now look down there. You see that creek? That isn't pure enough. We need proper and pure Fortnite juice water. Alright. I'm upset. So upset I just did that. Alright. We're making Fortnite juice, and this isn't some silly joke. I smell Popeyes. Popeyes is good. You guys like Popeyes? Popeyes is really good. Yeah, but we gotta go find some fresh sources of clear and nice water to make the Fortnite. Now, you may think, oh, just go down there and go get some of that water. It looks clean and pure. Wrong, okay? The thing is that because the earth is flat, all of the water that falls off the side, it goes through a teleporter, a wormhole, if you could say. Like Portal. You ever play Portal? And how, you know, if you put a portal on the floor and on the roof, you'll go through the bottom and then you'll go through the roof, right? That's pretty much what happens. The water falls into the portal on the bottom and then it just comes down from the sky again, alright? So, you know, that means that the water coming from the sky has been all over the nasty world and people's doo-doo feet, alright? People's nasty poo-poo feet have been all over your water, okay? We need to go somewhere where that nasty water is nowhere to harass us, okay? To make Fortnite juice, we need pure. Okay, so you're on your way down the slippery, snow-covered rocks, right? What do? Huh? You mean, come on, like, heckin' what the, right here. You see this? It's water coming down. See? It's dripping right there. This is all fake. Alright? We don't want fake liquid. Okay? That's what happens to fake liquid around here. Alright? Alright. So, you somehow made it down the rocks without dying, right? Good job. Now, whoa. There it is. Holy scoot, pooty poot, wally kazam, balla bazam, wowza. That's the water we're looking for. Wrong. You see this water? It's just the water that fell off the side of the earth, and then this water just continues forever and then goes off the side of the earth and then up again, okay? This water's nasty. It's been through all of that nasty, yucky grime and stuff, okay? So we need to go find fresh liquid, alright? Okay. Nice job, you got across the water. And now, continue through here until you come across this beauty right here. Alright? So, this is all frozen down here. But, man, this is slippery. Alright? So, what you want to... Alright, there we go. You're all good. And now, make your way upwards towards the fresh juices. Alright? You can hear the fresh water flowing. Now, it's extra cold in here. So, you know, don't freeze to death collecting your liquid. Now you may be wondering, why would you come to a sewer? Isn't that nasty? Yes and no. You see, the water, it's fresh because it's under a roof, meaning it hasn't touched the water from all around the world. Alright? So yeah, collect your Fortnite juice and watch for homeless people. Oh, there's some new graffiti up there. Watch for homeless people and collect your Fortnite juice. Pure liquid. Alright. Just gotta get down there and fill your bottle. Get as much of it as you can. You just want to make sure that your Fortnite juice is extra quality and you get out as soon as you can because it stinks pretty bad. Now, sometimes your water might look a little murky and it might be on the sides. Just rinse it off with the snow, right? Just rinse it off with the snow and then you should be fine. Little cold, but you should be fine. So yeah, come on down here again. And this all is frozen. It might break when I go and try to cross it, but you know what? YOLO or whatever. Ooh. Okay, yeah, that broke. Luckily, my ninja skills. I'm ninja from Fortnite. I evaded that too well. Alright. So we gotta squeeze through here. Excuse me. Coming through. Alright. Okay. Now we gotta cross this again. Okay. Alright, well we've done. Alright. So now that you're at the rocks, continue to walk down here. This is good enough. What you do now is you go ahead and place this. Process is simple. Go to the hood and grab a bullet casing that probably killed someone, right? This bullet has probably shot many people and murdered them, okay? This bullet is lethal. Just add that, okay? Now this is dangerous, so you want to do this carefully. I found this on the floor of the hood on the streets. I'm not too sure what this is. It might be a shank that has been used to kill someone. So you just want to go ahead and add that. Alright. Now, a Shrek turd. This is the purest form of your average Shrek turd. And you just want to add that. For the meme, you know, just the meme bit of it. And then, you want to take your freezing cold hand. And then you want to take a chunk of this ice. Go ahead, just what you want to do now is you want to unzip your jacket and grab the sacred weapon that has been hidden in there this entire time, the cheap dollar store recorder. And now, which will start the sacrificial process. That's just to appease the Fortnite juices and let them all stir and get all good, because you know you want that peachy mango flavor to it. You know you want it to be just fine. You want that kind of sugary bit to it. And you know, I am actually a 37. Okay, now that you have accomplished all the sacrificial steps, you just want to stir it as you walk home. Just make sure all those juices really mix in and get all perfect. The murkiness should begin to fade. Alright, so as you can see, after the 4-year drug process, it has become full Fortnite juice, and it is acquirable and able to drink now because it's good now.